Welcome to our log cabin in the woods. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the interior framing and the wiring. Okay, this is November the 1st. It's Friday evening, and we came out to see the progress being made. They've got a lot of framing done on the inside, and we're going to go take a look at that. They're almost done with the roof. They got to get the ridge cap on. It looks like they got started and here on this end and then kind of ran out of nails or something. But finally seeing some fall color. I think it's past peak color, but it was real pretty for a couple days, and the wind came in and blew all the leaves off the trees. But okay, let's go inside and see what we have. Got some deep ruts in the yard. I think they got more rain out here than we did in town, so when they made a delivery, it looks like they got stuck. All right, just walked into the house from the garage. Got frame walls here. This will be the back of the master bedroom, or master bathroom. And walk into the kitchen, and this will be a big pocket door here. And this is the laundry area, so it's just got room for washer and dryer. It's small, but it is what it is. We didn't have room anywhere else for it, so. And there's the kitchen door. Still goes out to nowhere, but they're going to work on the back deck next week. Electrician was here when we got here, so we talked to him for quite a while, and he showed us what he had done, and we answered some questions he had about where light switches and fixtures were going to go, and we talked about the kitchen because he also is doing the plumbing. And this wall here, since it's log, we'll have to fur it out a little bit with 2x4s due to the log settlement. So we're going to lay the 2x4s so that the 2-inch side is going to be sticking out instead of the 4-inch side, so it won't take up more than about 2 inches of space. And so that'll have to be drywalled or covered with something else, tile or something, and we'll make those decisions later. And then this is some of the technology they use for log settlement. As the logs settle, they will just kind of slide down that channel in that steel thing, and it won't interfere with the wall, so whatever we put up there won't crack or break. And then up here, that's another way to take up space when the logs settle. So those are screwed in, and all of the tops of all of the stud walls. So you'll see that all the way through the building. And the living room. This is going to be a nice big space with the living room and the kitchen being open. And we'll have an island, an L-shaped kitchen with an island. So on this end here will be the refrigerator will go in there, and then cabinets all along here and then here. And we'll probably put shelving maybe here. We'll have a corner cabinet, but maybe shelving. I don't know if we're going to put a cabinet next to that corner cabinet or not. Haven't decided that yet. But we're going to take measurements so we can know what we can fit in there. And then the master bedroom. The sun's lowering, so it's going to get dark here in a little bit. Let me go this way, see if we can see more stud walls. We've got outlets are wired. We'll have a separate switch. There'll be a ceiling fan in here. We'll have a separate switch for the light and one for the fan. And then there are also can lights in here. And there's all the wiring up above for all of that. And the black wiring is lighting that they're using as they're working in here. That's not permanent. That'll be removed. And there is the fixture for the ceiling light. The ceiling fan. There'll be a ceiling fan in there. So we moved this wall here. This wall here. We moved it in about a foot into the master bedroom. So instead of being 13 feet wide, it's 12 foot wide. And it'll give us a little bit more room in our closet. Our closet was 4 by 5. And now it should be 5 by 5. So it'll be a little bit, no, it's 4 by 6. Now it's 5 by 6. Give us a little bit more. Because one of us has a lot of clothes, and it's not me. And then the master bathroom is large. And Paul wanted a separate tub from the shower, so we've got room for that now. So go over to the other side and we'll look at Sarah's room. And here's her doorway. She's got a little bit of an entry, and then her closet's over here. It's about the size of the closet in the rental. So it's not big enough for her clothes, but she may have to pare down a little bit. And there's her log wall. And then the bathroom is right there. She will have a tub shower combo and then a 32-inch vanity in there. So it's a little bit small, but I think we can manage with some shelving on the walls. And then here's the front bedroom. And there's another one of those steel adjustment points for the wall. Okay. Well, electrical is in. And up here we have both of the secondary bedrooms have ceiling fans, so those are wired in both rooms. And they'll have flat ceilings, and the living room will have a cathedral ceiling with the collar ties. It'll have a ceiling fan in it too. That's not in yet, but it will be soon. Okay, here's the back. Got lots of lumber. I'm sure it's for the deck. And the concrete slab. Okay, here is they've dug out for the septic tank. That should come in probably next week. Looks like they've been using it for trash. And we got, I think, quite a bit of water in there, so I guess we got quite a bit of rain yesterday. It rained last night. So let's go see up here. Okay, this is not full log. This is their Smart Match log siding. So we have to stain that. And up here are the full logs that we've already stained, and Paul's already put the backer rod in between those, and it's my job to do the caulking, which I haven't done because Sarah's been sick for a week now. This is the first time we've been out in about 2 weeks.
I came home sick, guys.
Yeah, she was on vacation and came home sick. But she's starting to feel better now, I think. She's not coughing as much anyway. Okay, and this will not have any siding on it. That concrete will stay there. And then they're storing a lot more lumber and stuff in here, so. In the basement. And there's some plumbing, pipe, and more lumber. And the brackets they need for the deck. So, they're getting there. It's moving right along. So this weekend, we're going to come out and do caulking. Paul's going to stain this. I'm going to caulk, he's going to stain, and we need to start doing some looking into appliances and countertops and sinks and vanities, that kind of thing. Okay. Thank you for watching this episode. We hope you'll join us next time as we continue building our log cabin in the woods.